The soup bubbles gently on the stove, filling the kitchen with warmth.
The soup tastes just right.
I'll set the table carefully. I need to be careful with the bread.
Everyone, let's sit down.
I'm ready.
Melody slightly disturbs.
Steam rises from the hot soup bowls.
Vocal humming.
The sandwiches look fresh and delicious.
This juice is really good.
Let's check what we need to buy.
We need milk, bread, and vegetables.
Vocal
I'm listening.
remain soft and airy.
I'm swinging my legs. I'm excited.
This is a nice family moment.
Yes, it really is.
The bowls are empty after lunch.
Only piano pads, very calm.
The plates are stacked neatly.
Gentle humming returns.
Water runs steadily in the sink.
I'll wipe the counter.
I'll dry the dishes. I'll put the plates away.
Piano.
The kitchen looks clean and calm. The shopping list lies on the counter. Milk is circled clearly on the list. Coffee is circled twice.
We really need coffee.
I'll fix my hair clip. Okay, I'm ready. I'm putting on my shoes. These laces are tricky.
I've got the keys. Wallet is in my pocket.
I need my sunglasses. I'll check my phone quickly.
The reusable bags wait by the door.
I'm excited to go out. I've got my jacket.
I'll open the door.
Let's go.
All right. Door is locked.
The car waits in the driveway.
I'll open the trunk.
Put the bags in carefully.
Okay.
Everyone, get in.
I'm ready to drive.
Seat belts on.
Click.
Starting the car now.
The dashboard lights up.
I'll check the mirrors.
I like watching outside.
The houses pass by slowly. Sunlight flashes on the windshield.
I need to sit more comfortably.
A coffee shop sign passes by.
Let's go straight ahead.
The traffic light turns green.
Okay. We're moving.
I'm humming a song.
The bags rustle softly in the trunk.
The road is nice and clear.
I feel relaxed.
The town road becomes busier. Store signs appear ahead. The parking lot entrance comes into view. The turn signal blinks. The car parks smoothly. The engine turns off.
Time to get out.
Yes.
Let's open the doors.
I'm ready. We're here. That feels better after sitting.
I'll take the bags.
I lock the car.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go.